Today I am going to make a formwork for this opening, which means I have to install planks, something like this, to make basic construction, and then we will fill the space with the concrete. Final result will be like this. I was swapping these walls yesterday. I was cleaning all these seams, so that's why there is a lot of water here. But this is going to be pointed, and these doors are in the axis which leads through the space, and it's opening to the barn. And I need to make this wall stronger. That's why I'm going to make here concrete pillars, so it will be same size. Hello everybody, I need to find some planks which are 15 centimeters in width. These are too small. Let's check it here. I need 14, 15. And this is 12. Let's make it 12. 15 will be better. Or 14. I have to find some material first and then I will come back. So ten jeden. Woohoo! I will show you everything is leveled and fixed in position. So I will finish the bottom of the construction of the formwork next time. And wait a second. So the frame is ready. And now I have to fill these gaps with the stone. Then make concrete frame, put insulation inside. It will be quite tricky, but I have a plan. Yeah, so that's it for today and see you next time. Thanks for watching and for support. Subscribe, comment and give me some likes. See you, bye.